Hi, and welcome back. My name is Chuck Tuck, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the power of AI when using AVer Document Camera, the AVer Plus software, and Google Lens on how to do this with math and homework. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's start by launching the AVerTouch software. Once you've done that, let's start by writing out a math problem. For example, this one. Now, open Google Lens, which can be found on the bottom right hand of the toolbar that is below. Point at the equation and capture it. Google Lens will instantly recognize the math problem and gives us this solution. And here's the best part. It doesn't just give you the final answer. Google Lens actually gives you the breakdown of step-by-step process so you can understand how it has been solved. This way, you're not just copying the answer. You're actually learning how it's done step by step. So why is using the AVerTouch software along with the AVer Document Camera and Google Lens important? Well, here are some benefits. It saves time checking your homework. It helps you learn by showing you step-by-step solutions. And it makes tricky math problems less intimidating. So remember, the real value isn't just in getting the answer, but it's in understanding how it is solved. So using the combination again of AVerTouch, Google Lens, and the AVer Document Camera, it can be your personal homework helper. So this is fantastic. This helps you guide you through the process of building your confidence in math. I hope this helped you understand the power of using all of your tools together. And if you found this to be helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.